The decades of dreaming has finally turned into reality for the Huntsman World Senior Games.
This is such a huge step for us, one that in many ways is 38 years in the making. And now 38 years does seem like a long time, but even that amount of time, almost 4 decades, it doesn't really do justice to the millions and millions of hours, the resources and the sacrifices that have gone into this day.
The largest worldwide multi-sport annual event for seniors now has a new headquarters in St. George. What started out in a truck and trailer and many storage units spread across the area has now turned into a nearly 10,000 square foot accessible space with room to grow.
The great thing about this space is that we are now able to bring all of our office space, all of our storage, all of our operations all under one roof.
The building also has room to store all of the sporting equipment and items necessary for the events, which are now stacked high to the ceiling. And with outside access from garage doors, there's plenty of room to bring items in and out for the volunteers to sort things.
But to be able to bring volunteers together where they can help with everything from folding t-shirts to sorting out supplies is going to be a game changer for them.
Kay said little by little they've built up a reserve to help pay for the new building over the years, and thanks to the help of many significant partners, they've managed to get across the finish line from a financial standpoint.
The state of Utah was able to allocate some funds. Washington County and Greater Zion have been a tremendous partner. They were able to allocate some funds, and then the Huntsman Family Foundation, our title sponsor, were able to step in as well.
And it's because of organizations like Huntsman Senior Games that continue to put Utah in a very, very positive spotlight, nationwide and worldwide. Not only am I excited for this event from my perspective as a state legislator, but I'm also excited because I've now been a participant in the games for now 3 years in a row, which I love, which is great.
Study after study after study say that when you retire, if you aren't active in something, your retirement is actually maybe not as all enjoyable as it could be. But when you do active things, whether it's just getting together, whether it's dancing, but especially sports, seems to encourage not only physical health when other daily activities, but also your mental health.
The Huntsman World Senior Games was started in 1987 by John and Daisy Morgan and has since been supported by the Huntsman family.
I love what that represents because of who it represents, and that is my father. He loved the idea of these games. He was always on the move. He traveled hard, and wherever we landed, it didn't matter what time, he would always grab my hand and say, let's go for a walk. He loved to move. And the idea that the commissioner just talked about of friends near and far so represents what he encompassed. He loved the Senior Games.
It's only my second year being a president, but I was one of 4 people that actually started and organized the games on the very first meeting that was ever held. I'm the last of the 4. And it's been a good ride.
Yes.
And we've still got a little bit to pay off from a loan standpoint, but we're in the right place, in the place that we want to be, and able to move forward in a perfect direction for us.
With over 40 different sports, the World Senior Games is looking to bring in another record number with over 12,300 athletes expected this year.
Out of the 12,000 participants we have, we average 77% return.
Housed on the walls inside are giant photos of senior athletes from across the world who have competed in the games over the years in various sports.
This will be my 19th year. First 3 years I played tennis, and then I switched to pickleball.
But what brings those who compete back is not the medals, but more the relationships and friends while creating worldwide peace.
I've met people from all over the country, and I've come to gain a lot of new friends, and you get to see them year after year, and they are wonderful people. And I love what the message of the games are: fitness, getting together, friendship, building camaraderie, building goodwill across the country, across the globe. I think that's what the heart and spirit of the Huntsman Senior Games is.
Those who attended the open house sat down to partake in that friendship, and then there were others who were eager to get the ball rolling.
This is the first inaugural intergalactic pickle pong tournament. So it's a blend of pickleball and table tennis, and we're going to have some new champions today.
The building will also be great for the thousands who help with the World Senior Games each year, as well as the staff who work here.
It is so exciting to have this grand office, this grand appearance, and our super warehouse.
Yeah, and it's bright and it's beautiful. It's really a nice place to be.
Hey, and you? And a real testament to the athletes. I mean, we see them around us all the time. They come into a nice, pleasant environment, and I think the logistics of the games are just going to work so much better for everyone.
And even though he's not here to see it, Case voiced a final tribute to founder John Morgan through one of his favorite poems.
Just start in to sing as you tackle the thing that cannot be done, and you'll do it. Thank you, John. We keep trying. And we're getting it done. This is the next chapter, and we will always have the same drive to foster worldwide peace, health, and friendship.
This year's Huntsman World Senior Games is scheduled for October 6th through the 18th for seniors 50 and older. Registration is still open online, or you can stop by the new location to sign up for your favorite event.
I'm not volunteering. I'm going to be in it.
Oh, there you go.
Power walker.
Awesome.
For more information, go to seniorgames.net. In St. George, Melissa Anderson, Community Education News.